Toyota Century SUV, the most prestigious and powerful luxury SUV ever created by Toyota. And today on Nitro Garage, we are taking you on a complete deep dive into the breathtaking 2026 model that is redefining what a flagship luxury vehicle truly means. This is not just a car. This is a statement. A rolling palace on wheels that combines Japanese craftsmanship with modern technology in a way that no other vehicle on the planet can match. And once you see everything this machine has to offer, you will completely understand why it carries the legendary Century name. The 2026 Toyota Century SUV arrives with a commanding and imposing presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. The massive front fascia features the iconic large hexagonal mesh grille finished in gloss black, with the Toyota crest sitting proudly at the center, flanked by sharp and aggressive full LED headlights, with a distinctive light signature that makes it unmistakable even in the dark. The body is sculpted with long, elegant lines that flow from the bold front all the way to the wide, powerful rear, giving it that perfect balance between authority and sophistication. Available in a stunning range of colors including the iconic gloss black, deep midnight blue, and pearl white, every shade makes this SUV look like it belongs in front of a royal palace or a five-star hotel. Under the hood, the 2026 Century SUV is powered by a sophisticated 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain that produces a combined output of around 365 horsepower, delivering smooth, effortless power that propels this large SUV with surprising grace and composure. The hybrid system ensures that despite its size and luxury status, the Century SUV remains fuel-efficient and environmentally conscious, which is exactly what you would expect from a brand that takes engineering seriously. The ride quality is in a league of its own, with an advanced air suspension system that absorbs every bump and imperfection in the road so smoothly that passengers in the rear feel like they are floating on clouds. Speaking of the rear, stepping inside the Toyota Century SUV is like entering a five-star luxury suite. The cabin is hand-assembled by Toyota's most skilled craftsmen, and every single surface you touch tells the story of that dedication. The seats are wrapped in the finest Nishigen textile fabric, a traditional Japanese silk weave that is exclusive to the Century nameplate, and the rear executive seats recline deeply with an automatic leg rest that extends to give VIP passengers a fully relaxing experience. The rear cabin also features individual climate control, heated and ventilated seats, a rear entertainment system with large high-resolution screens, and a fold-out table finished in genuine wood veneer for the ultimate chauffeur-driven experience. The technology inside the 2026 Century SUV is seamlessly integrated without ever feeling intrusive or overwhelming. A large digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel alongside a wide infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The entire cabin is bathed in warm ambient lighting with customizable color options, and the panoramic moonroof floods the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere even in such a grand and spacious cabin. Safety is equally impressive with Toyota's latest suite of driver assistance technologies, including pre-collision system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this large SUV surprisingly easy. The 2026 model also features an upgraded noise cancellation system that makes the cabin almost completely silent at highway speeds, allowing you to enjoy the premium JBL audio system in absolute peace. The 2026 Toyota Century SUV is without question the pinnacle of Japanese luxury motoring, a vehicle that respects tradition while fully embracing the future. And here on Nitro Garage, we believe this is one of the most special and remarkable luxury SUVs ever built. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nitro Garage for more incredible content like this.